What's up guys, Chris Kodiak here. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to use the water still in Stranded Deep. If you're like me, the water still plagued you for a lot longer than it probably should have. Once I built the water still, I waited days and days for it to rain, still drinking coconuts, wondering what the hell I'm doing wrong. Why isn't this working any faster than I feel like it should? Turns out there's a much faster way to gather water than waiting for it to rain, and it involves the palm frond. What you're going to want to do is go head on over to a palm tree, chop it down, cut up the palm frond that's at the end, and you'll get yourself a, palm frond. Make sure that the palm frond is equipped when you walk up to the water still, and instead of looking at the top, you want to go ahead and look at the bottom, where it'll give you a prompt that says hold square to add fiber. All you got to do, obviously, hold square, go ahead and add them up. You can sit about 4 of them at a time, drop any extras nearby for some quick refills, and that's it. You wait for the condensation to rise up out of the palm frond into the water still collector and hold square to drink. Hopefully your drinking problems will be solved, and if you like what you see here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see anything else. Deuces.